In this video, I'll show you step by step how I made $22,634 in just 2 months in the last 2 months using the Amazon affiliate program. And I didn't spend a single dollar on ads. I used free traffic strategies that anyone can copy, even if you have never promoted anything online before. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it step by step, so you can start earning with the Amazon affiliate program too. If you want to make real money online without paid ads, you don't want to skip this. I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know what's working and I know what's not. So I'll share with you guys how we can find winning product that you will start promoting, where you need to promote those products, and how we can find audience that will be interested to buy those products from you, and so much more. And you don't need a website, you don't need any landing page, and you don't need any paid ads. You can just use free traffic, and I will explain everything step by step in this video. And let's get started. This is my Amazon affiliate account. This is some right here. This is my commissions. You can see here $22,634, and this is my bounties over here. Okay, so for people who want to start making money with the Amazon affiliate program, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So step number one, just go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Click on the first link over here like this. It's for free, of course, and anyone can sign up. You will be in this page. Click on sign up over here like this, and you will be in this page. Just click here on create your Amazon account. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps, and the sign up process is super easy. Anyone can sign up. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Okay, once you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with the Amazon affiliates program. Okay, this will be your Amazon affiliates account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to choose a winning product that you will start promoting. So what you will do next, guys, is you will go to Amazon. Okay, so just go and open your Amazon account like this, amazon.com like this. Okay, and I will show you guys the first method that you guys can use. So you guys, for beginners, you guys can click here on all to find winning products, and you will see this bar. Okay, you see here trending, and you see best sellers. You guys can click on best sellers, okay, like this, and you will find the product that those best sellers are selling on Amazon, that are getting crazy sales in Amazon right now. Okay, let me show you. You can see I'm talking with you guys using numbers. Okay, for example, like this product got almost 100k reviews, meaning that 100k people paid for this product on Amazon. Look at this one, and we have this one. If I scroll more down, you can see. So this is the kind of product that you guys need to promote as an Amazon affiliate marketers. You need to promote products that are already getting sales on Amazon. Okay, and at least when you will promote a product, at least the product should get at least over 2,000 sales in the past month. Okay, let me show you an example. So if I scroll more down here, let's pick for example one, like, okay, let me see, for example, let's choose like this one. Let me click on this one. Okay, and here you go. You will be directly in this Amazon product page. You guys can see that this product got over 10,000 sales in the past month. Okay, you can see here, guys, so meaning that this product has a high demand. People are paying for this product. Okay, so this is the first method that you guys can use to find winning products. Okay, second method that I'm using, guys, is I go to YouTube. Okay, because we will use YouTube to promote our Amazon affiliate links. Okay, so let me go to private window like this to show you guys, and I will search for YouTube like this. Okay, let's click on YouTube here, and what I will do, guys, is I will use YouTube search bar. So I will, for example, ask questions here. So click on the search bar and ask, for example, how to, let's say, for example, how So what I will do, I will click on the search bar, guys, and I will paste, for example, let's say best camera for YouTube, and here you go. You see, you just need to type here questions, for example, how to find the best cameras for YouTube, or for example, how to fix lower back pain, how to solve a problem, for example. Okay, and you will promote a product related to what people are searching for on YouTube. So for example, this topic, guys, best camera for YouTube, you guys can see that I just type this keyword here, and YouTube will give you a report search prediction. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, so for example, you can see people are searching for best camera for YouTube videos, best camera for YouTube video in budget. You can see best camera for YouTube videos 2025. Okay, so for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer, here is what you will do. You will go back to Amazon, to your Amazon product, to your Amazon homepage, and you will click on the search and search for camera, okay, for YouTube. Okay, camera for YouTube video recording. You can see I'm gonna search just for camera for YouTube. Okay, search for a product related to what people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so it's clear, camera for YouTube, because a lot of people, they want to start YouTube. Every single day we have a lot of people who want to start YouTube. Okay, so they are searching to buy a camera that they will use to record videos. And for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer, you will start promoting like those products. You will make content and talk about the best cameras that people can start with as beginners to start YouTube, to record videos. Okay, you have a lot of product that you guys can promote on YouTube. Okay, so let me show you, for example, like this products, guys. This camera got over 1,000 sales in the past month. So this one, yes, it's good. I can scroll more down to find it good. We have all those cameras also here that got over 100 sales in the past month. Let me scroll more down to find a good one, like this one. This one is a good one. You guys can see this one. This one got over 10,000 sales in the past month. Look how many reviews. 37,000 reviews, like 37,000 people paid for this camera, guys. So this one is a good one. It has high demand. A lot of people are paying for this one. I will click on this one like this. Click on the camera product that you want to promote. You will be directly in this camera products page on Amazon. You guys can see here. Okay, numbers. Always use numbers. Don't promote product that you think they can work or that you like this business doesn't work like this. It's demand. Okay, product that has high demand, product that are already getting sales on Amazon. This is the product that you need to promote if you want to earn commissions. Okay, you guys can see like this product, this one, we find the winning products. So what you will do next, you need to go to YouTube. You guys can go to YouTube, and you guys need to open a YouTube channel that you will use to promote those products. Okay, and you don't need to show your face, and you don't need to use your voice. You can make faceless content. You can make a faceless YouTube video talking about this camera. Okay, this camera here. I'm gonna help you guys more, so let me show you here. Always you guys can go to about this item. So this is the products description. Okay, this is the description of the products. You guys can, what you can guys do is you can copy this description like this, and you can use AI and go to ChatGPT, guys. Okay, and ask him turn this like this, and you will put this Amazon description here. You need to give just more details to ChatGPT about this product that you want to promote. He will create a storytelling script, an engaging storytelling script that you guys can go and use to promote this Amazon products on YouTube. You can see here. Ever wanted to capture your wild adventures? Here you go. And here you go. You have a good script, storytelling script. You will copy this script, record the script using your voice, or you can also use AI voiceover, then make a video, go back to YouTube and upload the video on YouTube. Use this title, best camera for YouTube videos, for example, in 2026. We are close to New Year 2026. Use those videos, use those titles to get good traffic from YouTube search. Make sure to use good keyword in your description, also in your script, so you can get traffic from YouTube search. You guys can, let me show you. For example, let's search for this, guys. Those videos can keep getting views for years. Look at this one, for example, best camera for YouTube videos. This one promoted, like this creator is promoting Amazon affiliate links. Here is another one, best camera for YouTube in 2025. Let's click on this one. Let me guys just show you. You can create any. Okay, I clicked on the video. Let me scroll down. Here you go. You see this? He is promoting Amazon affiliate links. Do you see this? He is promoting cameras. If I click on this link, I will go directly to those cameras. You can see here on Amazon. If I buy those products, guys, this creator on YouTube will make commissions. Look how many views this video got. Look how many traffic you can get from YouTube. Okay, you guys can get so much traffic from YouTube, and you can promote a lot of products. Okay, and to copy your affiliate link, you just need to go back. Let me show you. Just go back to this Amazon products page that you want to promote. To get your affiliate link, just click on get link, and this is your Amazon affiliate link. Just copy this link and put this link in your description, like those people are doing on YouTube. And you can promote, you can put your affiliate links directly in your description. You don't need landing page, you don't need a website. That's how you can promote, and you can start Amazon affiliate marketing without a website, without followers, and without a landing page. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And for guys, you guys, like I said, you can promote a lot of products. How to fix back. Look, a lot of people, they have this problem. For example, how to fix back pain. You guys can see how millions of people have this problem, and they are coming to YouTube to search how they can fix back pain at home. Back pain. A lot of people are having this problem. For you, as an Amazon affiliate marketer, go back to Amazon, back pain, search for back pain, a product that can help people to solve this problem. Make content about those products and start promoting those products. They are getting also crazy sales. Look at this one. Look, guys, look at this one. Over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Here is another one, 7,000. Here is another one, 6,000 people paid for this product in the past month. High demand, because they are solving problem. Here is another one, over 9,000 people paid for this one in the past month. High demand, guys. Those products has high demand. Look, okay, why not? You can go and make a video about how to fix back pain. You guys can see here. Okay, make videos and include your affiliate links in your description. That's how you can make money with the Amazon affiliate program. Okay, guys, you should know also, guys, a lot of people, they don't know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2. So you can get so much traffic from YouTube. You just need to make content that will help people and include your affiliate links in your description. Make content that will help people to solve their problems, and you can make money. Okay, YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For people who want to take this business seriously, feel free, guys, to reach out to me in my email address, and I will help you with this. Thank you so much again. If you want to see more videos like this, comment Amazon affiliate, and I will make more videos and share with you guys also how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Quora, Reddit, and so much more.